How to turn off auto download using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off auto download using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find storage, click on it and then scroll down until you find when connected on Wi-Fi and click on it, and then just turn everything off and click OK and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to turn off auto download using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.